Hey there, audiophiles and gadget lovers. Welcome back to I Know Gadgets, where we dive deep into the world of high-fidelity sound. Today, we're cranking up the volume and tuning into the top 5 best stereo-integrated amplifiers of 2024. If you're looking to elevate your audio experience, stick around as we break down the creme de la creme of amplifiers that promise to transform your music into an auditory masterpiece. And remember, if any of these stellar amps strike a chord with you, check out the links in the description below and the first comment to snag your own. Now let's amp up and roll out. Welcome to the world of exquisite sound with the Naim Uniti Atom. This compact powerhouse is a testament to Naim's legacy of crafting audio equipment that resonates with both clarity and emotion. With its state-of-the-art connectivity, including high-resolution streaming capabilities, the Uniti Atom is a hub for all your musical adventures. Its intuitive interface, combined with a striking design, ensures that your listening experience is both seamless and visually appealing. Next up, we have the audio by Alstine SET 120. This amplifier is a marvel of audio engineering, delivering a sound that's as pure as it is powerful. The SET 120's design philosophy hinges on simplicity, allowing the raw, unadulterated quality of music to shine through. Whether you're a vinyl enthusiast or a digital audio connoisseur, this amplifier will breathe new life into your favorite tracks. The Technics SA-C600 is a nod to the future of audio technology. It's a versatile integrated amplifier that promises to be the centerpiece of your home audio system. With its sleek design and user-friendly features, the SA-C600 offers a perfect blend of traditional HiFi with modern digital convenience. Its exceptional build quality and meticulous attention to detail ensure that every note is delivered with precision and warmth. The Marantz Model 30 continues the brand's storied tradition of audio excellence. This amplifier is not just a piece of equipment, it's a gateway to an immersive sonic journey. With its distinctive sonic signature, the Model 30 envelops you in a soundstage that's both expansive and intimately detailed. Its robust construction and elegant aesthetics make it a worthy addition to any audiophiles collection. And at the pinnacle of our list is the Arcam A15. Leading the pack, the A15 is the epitome of acoustic perfection. Its unparalleled sound quality sets a new benchmark for what an integrated amplifier can achieve. The A15's meticulous design ensures that every musical nuance is captured and conveyed with an extraordinary level of fidelity. It's not just an amplifier, it's the heart of a high-fidelity revolution. There you have it, folks, the top 5 best stereo-integrated amplifiers of 2024. Each of these amplifiers brings something unique to the table, but they all share one common goal: to elevate your listening experience to heights previously unimagined. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your current setup or diving into the world of high-fidelity sound for the first time, these amplifiers are sure to impress. Remember, for more details on each of these amazing amplifiers and to make them a part of your audio journey, check out the links in the description below and the first comment. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the best of the best, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to I Know Gadgets for more expert insights into the gadgets that make our lives extraordinary. Until next time, keep the music playing.